Okay, so now today in this Python class, I'm going to tell you how to make a basic calculator. So first of all, we will just use here variable name A. We will just mention here int input, enter number 1. And after that, we just mention here B equal int input, enter number 2. And I told you already that this is the variable name, this is the data type. And now, with the help of input command, we are able to type here in the output line. Now, after this, because this is the basic calculator one, so we will ask the operator. We'll take the variable OP, and in this OP, we just ask input. Operator is the string one, so we will not use here int. We will simply use your input command, and we just type here choose operator. Any operator you can choose, like I'm typing plus, minus, multiply, divide. Now, after this, we will choose here if command, because this is the condition one. So we will mention here if OP double equal sign, because we are going to compare the operator, and the equal is the comparison operator, as I told you in the last class. We just use here plus, means if the user will choose plus, then what will be the answer? The answer will be print A. A is the variable name, so we will type simply without any string commas. After that, we will use here plus, comma, again B. B is the variable name. Now equal to is the message, so we will use here quotation mark, and after that we will apply the formula A plus B. Remember one thing, if you are calling the variable, it will come simply. If you are calling the message, it should come in quotation mark. This is the rule of the Python. Now, same thing I am going to do copy. After that, just press enter, and I am using elif as the conditional operator. Here we will choose minus. Means if the user will choose minus, then it should be A minus B. Just change the formula only. Now again, I am going to select it and copy it. Just paste it here. In place of minus, we just use here multiply sign, and we just mention here multiply. After this, we just use here one more time division sign, and it should be divide. So we have taken all 4 operators. Now in the last, we will choose here else, and we just type here print invalid operator. Means if the user will type something else, then it will show invalid operator. Let me run the code. It's very simple and easy, and it's really, oh, error is there. Why? Because I have opened one bracket and I have closed 2 brackets. That's why the error is there. Now, let me run the code. It will ask for entering the first number, the second number, and choosing the operator. I'm taking plus. Now it is giving the answer. Like this, you can create your basic calculator. Now just try, and if you have any confusion, then you can ask.